Okay guys, welcome to another video on this channel. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, don't want to hit the subscribe button before we continue. It's very important. Okay, so let's dive right in. um Today I'll be showing you how to use the attribute command on the command prompt. Yeah. um You're taking the commands in the command prompt in this series. Alright, here attributes. So be um we're showing how to use this attributes command. Alright, first and foremost, let's go with what attribute is. Displays or changes file attributes. Okay, so let's see. So first and foremost, if you don't know how to come here, you type here cmd, and here it is cmd.exe. Double click this and click that, and this what it shows. Alright, let's make progress. So for this for this let's, for this I'll be showing you on how to show hidden files on Windows operating system. Okay, if you've been following our videos, tutorials, um I said if you don't know how to use a command, you put slash question mark. Okay, so here it is. It now shows you how the command works. Displays or changes file attribute. These are different syntaxes you can use. Plus r, minus r, plus a, plus set and attributes, minus clear and attributes, r read only file attributes, a file archive file attributes, system file attributes, hidden file attributes, um yeah, not content, index file attributes, drive specify drive a path, file name specifies a file or files for attribute to process. Okay, this is long, but I'll show you a command on how to reveal hidden files on Windows. So for this, we'll be needing a pen drive. Yeah, we need a pen drive for this. So here's the command. And I'll add, for this to work completely, I'll assume that your pen drive letter, the drive letter is G. Okay, so okay. Alright, okay. I made a mistake. I should have called the function for all of this. Okay, and this should be it. Okay, so when you hit the enter button, it shows you this. Okay, here what it is: cache, hidden file attributes, r read only file attributes, minus s system file attributes. Okay, s processes matching files in the current folder, and then specify our drive G. Okay, so let's see what it is. Okay, so following this closely, revealed hidden files in here. You have this, you have this, you have this, all of this. You can go ahead and give this a try and let us know what you think and what happens in your on the current comment section. What happens in your system after trying this command. So, and you will need to replace drive G in case drive G is not what your pen drive is using. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Alright, you can see here drive G. So if yours is not drive G, you can go ahead and replace it here. Alright, so do well to hit the subscribe button, like the video, hit the like button if you like the video, and drop a comment. Let us know what you think. Have a nice day.